What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan. Today, I want to do a little quick unboxing because this right here was on my front porch just before I left to go meet Panama City and P&Q Grind. So let's see what it is. I seen an email and it's saying something was delivered from Amazon. So I'm like, what could it be? And the person who sent it, I definitely appreciate it. They are anonymous. How you would say it? They are unknown. They didn't put their name on there, so they don't want me to know who did it. But this is for my birthday gift, and I definitely appreciate it. So to whoever that did this, thank you very much. Let's look and see what's in here. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Pineapples. Wait, hold on. It's upside down. Just ask. Wow. Wow. I like pineapples at home, but on a cruise, I don't like pineapples. That's the story. Oh, we got a note. We got some notes in here. It said, this pineapple cruise door decorator, 5-pack funny cruise stateroom decorator sticker, upside down pineapples. Wow. Wow. And then on here, it said, for the man whose voice I never mind hearing on YouTube or anywhere else from me. It just say me. It don't say who's me. So thank you, me. Once I figure out who you are, I would say thank you again. But I really do appreciate this. And it came right before I went on my cruise and for my birthday. So thank you very much. And this right here, it's a DJI mic mini. It said 2X plus 1RX charging case. It's a wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone, cameras, Android, and it's ultra light. Hey, that's right. That's the truth. I can start using that. It's a gift for you, a pineapple for your cabin, because even the most serious men deserve a little sunshine on a cruise. Consider this your reminder to relax a little. Share with somebody. Sharing is caring from I don't know who sent this. She's wow. This is crazy. This is crazy. That is crazy. But I definitely appreciate it. Hold on, let's go to the other one. This is the other one. Look at this. A DJI mic mini. I remember somebody, when I was over there bowling, somebody like, you should have a mic. I'm like, I don't have no mic. I don't have no mic. But now I can't say nothing now. I got a DJI mini mic. That's why I sing. That's why I sing. Let's open it up. You gotta be a little bit nosy, right? Just a little bit. Charge it up. Take it on a cruise with me. DJI have a lot of good quality products. So I really do appreciate this one. This is that good stuff. This is that good stuff. If I could open up the packet. Today I sing. Today I sing. It come in a box. It have little codes and stickers and stuff. The manual is right here. It have the case. I can put this on my carry-on so it goes wherever I go, so I won't lose it. Come with this little sticker. Well, this right here It's just a product information on this right here. I want to buy it. It's right here. This is the mic cover thing. So you put the thing over the mic so you can prevent the static, all that stuff. You got the cord so you can plug it in. I'm gonna have to go look it up and see how I could use it. You got the little do not eat, throw it to keep everything dry in there. And then with the, oh my shit. I can't wait to use this. I'm definitely gonna use it on the cruise. Hopefully, like when I go listen to my music, it probably turns some of the stuff out when I walk in and listen to it. DJI. It said press to unlock, but it got the sticker on there to keep it together. I really do appreciate this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really do. It made me feel good. Oh, so what I do is just press and it opens up, and there you go. It's already like it's ready to go, huh? So I guess I could just... Is this a camera? Is this like a camera as well? I guess it's the volume. It said noise reduction, pairing mode. But you got these right here. I guess I could hook this up on me. So I'll hook it on right here. And then it'd be wireless. Or just got that on there. And I guess I could just have this in my pocket or whatever. Now this right here. This is the mic R. This is the mic RX. That's what this is. I guess this right here was I could probably plug it to the phone. I definitely gotta learn it. But I want to buy. But I want to buy. There's the other one. This is another one. I don't know yet if it's gonna be one for each ear or one for each side. I don't know yet, because this is kind of new to me right now. But I definitely need to learn it because this is amazing. And then the charge thing right here goes in. And then the back part, put it on like that. And it goes in. And this is the part where you plug it in to charge it up. So I really want to buy. This is amazing. I will be charging it up so I can try to use it. Like I said, it came with some stickers. Let me see. I think this one might be in the other language. It might be the other language. What is it? The RX. Okay. The RX, like I stick the long one I plug it into my phone. And I put the TX1 is one person, TX2 is probably the second person. The RX it also could be hooked up to a camera. It's amazing. And then I gotta download the app so I can have the app on my phone so I could use it. I will do that. But I need our own way. And they got the safety guidelines. The first one is the quick start guideline, and this is the safety guideline. And it's just showing English. This product contains magnets, telling you what you need to do for the safety. And this one right here, this one I need to be trying to focus on the English part. I just gotta find the English section. Where is the English section? Yeah. Said I need my keys. Said I need my keys. No bad keys. Said my keys. What the English part? I see all the languages but English. Ain't that something? Said the transmitter TX and the receiver RX are powered on and links removed from the charging case. That's number one. The lightning adapter is sold separately, so if I need to get an adapter, I need to buy that separately. 2, attach the TX with a clip or a magnet. The wind stream reduce the wind noise and can be removed when there's no wind. So that's the little top part. It's like this right here, a little cover. So this is windy. Said 3, the DJI mini mic can be used with different device for audio recording. Mount the RX to the phone for the BIA, the adapter, and then use the TX for audio recording. So the TX is the ones I show you, the little mic I have right here. That's the recorder. The other part that I have goes into the phone. So okay, that's cool. Now we know that. We gotta see how to line up though. Needs today. Said mount the RX to the camera cold shoe. Connect to the audio cable and then use the TX for audio recording. This one right here is showing it if you're using a camera. Use the TX to be used on the Optimum Pocket 3. I don't have one of those. It says select wireless microphone, the system settings, the flow, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. So that's pretty much it. All I got to do is just cut it on and link it up on there. I would test it out. I definitely loving it because that way, hopefully my thing is, because you know when I go bold and stuff like that, I have it on a charger. My thing is, would I be able to keep the thing charging with this on there? So I need today. So we got this. Probably hook that in here. That's a magnet. Oh, that's another magnet. It's just another magnet. Oh, okay, so I pulled it off. So I guess this goes up. The way it looked, it like it shit goes up in here. See? So I can hook that up to the phone. And then I can use this part right here, part to charge it up. That way I can still use both of them. That's awesome. So we got that. We got to figure out. So now we just got to test it out. So whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own modification. I definitely appreciate the gift for my crew and for the birthday. I definitely appreciate it. I definitely will use this. I will get some more practice on it. So we'll knock it out. So whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation, stretching, water, light, come subscribe to the channel. And remember to show support to the people that you like, because that way we all gonna be successful and be great together. So with that being said, thank you very much for the gift. I really do appreciate it. I definitely enjoyed we got the pineapples. That's the one that's kind of questionable though. Especially on the cruise. What are you trying to do to me? But the DJI mini mic, amazing. So, Deb, thank you very much again. And remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, on my race, stretch, drink water, like, come and subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. Holla. Yeah.